Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to refund money from TapTap Send account. So to get refund your money, you need to contact TapTap Send support team. So first let me show you how to do it on your smartphone, and then I will show you how to do it on your computer. First of all, open your TapTap Send app and then simply click on this three line menu at the top. Now from sidebar, simply click on this support option and then this going to show you this screen. So from here, simply click on this contact us button, this link at the bottom, and then it's going to show you their email and their contact number. So you can contact them on their email address or you can also call them. Now to get contact info of TapTap Send on your computer, first you need to open up Google and then here simply search TapTap Send contact support and then open up this first website, and this going to list you three options. First is via email, second is via phone, and third is via Facebook message. So you can use any of them and contact them. Now before you contact TapTap support team, you need to ensure that you have transfer details ready, such as your full name of person receiving the funds, the amount of transfer, and the transfer ID. It is usually found on your receipt, and the error of issue with the transfer and why you believe a refund is needed. So you need to gather all of this necessary information, and when you contact them via email or call, simply provide them your full name, your registered email ID, and then detail of the error or problem with the transfer you are facing, and the transfer ID and amount of transfer. Then TapTap Send will review your refund request, and they aim to complete investigations within 19 days of your request, and you will be informed of the investigation results within 3 business days after it concludes. So once they review your refund request and approve it, you will get your refund amount in 3 business days. So that's how you can refund your money from TapTap Send. So if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.